going to school, and I hate it, and I'm going to school. So I'll see you later for another vlog after school. Bye. What is up, everybody? So the vlog I did a couple, I did not mean to upload that vlog. So the second part is now. All right. So as I was saying, the first part I did not mean to upload that. But the first part is on this vlog, so I'm doing the second part, and basically that's basically. Sorry, someone keeps like. You done? Thank you. Alright, someone just keeps farting. I don't know what the hell. This is all. Oh. Oh, also my hair's starting to grow. Actually, no, I was going this. You hear this, guys? I can't talk. Alright, anyway. What was I saying? See, I lost my. You know, shut the fudge up. As I was saying, so yes, this is the second vlog. Me and Leland are twins, if you haven't noticed. You guys are asking, why do you guys wear the same exact color clothing? Because we're twins. I'm getting so mad. Jesus, what the WTF? Oh my god, I can't say. You know what? You know what? You know what? I can't say shit. I'm going in the back. As I was saying, what I did. We're twins. So we wear the same for school days. We can wear like black with black, or then. Okay, someone's coming this way. I think that's a clown. Oh, and my aunt's in there. Damn it. Oh, I got outside. Oh my god. Anyway, yeah, so we're twins. We wear the same clothes on the weekdays sometimes. And yeah. So today we were wearing black. And yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna end the vlog here because that guy keeps blowing his horn, whatever the shit he's doing. I need to go. Oh shit. Okay. I'm going under here. You know what, guys? Like, subscribe, favorite. Have a nice day.